Wouldn't know better than Mr. Chin. Me think me lose them dirty foot boy them. Me had the kicking me rabbit speed to Ross. Me take a wrong turn. Soon me have to get my visa to leave this rascal place. Them love curry goat too much. This makes sense when I call goat bad, evil, all kind of duppy talk. But come wedding, curry goat in the pan. Christening, bring out the curry goat. So me part of the illuminating at the natty, but me dep on the menu. The hypocrisy smells stronger than the Maggi seasoning. And me noticed something else recently too. My owner start give me more food. Couple sweet leaf me never see before. Me no want jump to conclusion. But me watch how she eye my legs sometime. Wait, what? That Maximus up there, that boy get cushion bed, fan blow upon him evening more mosquito coil. That Billy down there. Huh? If jealousy was a scent, I swear I smell Billy from here, so one bad mind goat. Me vex till me start wonder, belly empty, mouth dry. Me sight a bush pan the roadside for me, nice fresh leafy. Me eye them open big and meaty. Me a go take a handful, me no cheat it.